almost dropped my fucking phone. I felt it sliding out too. We're good. Damn. Dude. At least the screen's good. Fuck it. Glad I felt it. You good?
Oh, we're good, man. We're good. That was awesome.
Thanks. Ran out of gas?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. At least it's that, not anything else.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's nice, man. How long you had that?
Like 3 years. It's 18.
Okay.
What year's that?
It's a 06.
Nice. Yeah, luckily this has like a, what is that called?
Reserve?
Yeah, reserve tank.
This does too.
You ignored it?
Well, I had it on reserve.
Oh,
I didn't
yeah.
realize it.
That'll do it.
Yeah.
That sucks.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I can't do wheelies on this like you do on.
Yeah, it's a lot easier. It's a lot lighter. I bet. That's probably really heavy.
So, how many times do the cops go after you?
It's more or less like in the city, but I try not to like, I mean obviously, but if I see him I try not to like make a scene, but.
Dude, I know going into Philly, like around North Philly, you see guys on bikes, not only bikes but on quads and
yeah.
stuff, going down like Broad Street doing wheelies.
Yeah.
Cops just don't, they're like, well, they don't chase them, they just leave them alone. I don't know why. I think maybe they're afraid more people will get hurt.
I just had to run over to the store. I just thought you were resting when I rode by the first time.
Yeah, no, I called him. He lives in Chalfont.
Nice.
I've rescued him several times, so he owes me one.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's good though. Good to have somebody to call.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
All right.
Cool. All right, guys, take
All
care.
right, dude.
What was your name, man?
Drew.
Drew, I'm Mark. That's my brother, Kurt.
Nice to meet you guys.
Me too, man.
Drew, you be safe.
You
man.
too. Enjoy your ride. It's a nice day for it. See ya.
See you, brother.
Nice. Here's a good spot to jump. Hopefully there's no coppers.